Explain this to me one more time on video.
So basically, we give you a price of 5 feet of pipe to replace a 5-foot section.
Gotcha.
Right now we're approximately 8 to 10 feet, which we have.
But we need to go another 5 foot.
Yeah, we need to go another 1 foot minimum. Going to 5 foot is to make sure that there's not more and more and more and more, and you're gonna keep on. If you go foot by foot by foot, it's gonna be more expensive than just going one time 5 foot and be done with it.
Right, but let's pull this out and jet it, and you can get your camera in.
Yeah,
there.
but the thing is,
I understand to put it back together.
Yeah, but I can't pull it out until I get the okay from G.
Right.
So that's the problem right now. Even Pat is putting up the price and getting it all together, so in about 5 minutes we have that answer. Alright? Because as soon as I pull it out, and I pulled it out and I gotta put it back in. So that's the problem what I got. So soon Pat's gonna get the price for you together, how much it's gonna be for another foot or another 5 foot, and then we go from there.
All right.